Hey guys, it's Alik from NatureWithAlik YouTube channel. I'm here at the beautiful Shulman Dragon Fruit Orchard and Moor Park, December 31st, 2025. And it's coming, New Year is coming, so I wish you a Happy New Year. Feliz Año Nuevo, Счастливого Нового Roku, с Новым Годом, Shana Tova, guys. To all of you around the world, peace, love, prosperity, business. It's a lot of travel, lot of hugs, kisses to all of you around the world. Very, very important, guys. We need pray for the peace this time. Okay, so here we go. The whole year just like this. Check. So many work, so much is done. Amazing, amazing. And first of all, I'd like to thank to all of you guys for your support, for your moral, physical, financial support that helped me to try through all this year to manage to relocate the orchard, to manage to get bigger, to manage to get you serving the dragon fruits and all the beautiful cuttings and plants to all of you around the world, I would say. You know, my latest cuttings went from Hawaii all the way to Australia, so, and Puerto Rico, so and Europe as well. Yes, so there's so many people asking to get new varieties, and I definitely will be happy to serve you guys. As you can see, still harvesting the final you know, the fruit and everything. We got some to share today, friends, family coming to celebrate with us New Year, and I'll be very happy to share with them the harvest of the New Year fruit, and that's going to be really nice, sweet and peaceful sharing the fruit with them. Okay, here we go. So the whole year just boom, like I've been traveling, I've been working very hard, I've been getting to the farmers market. Lots of videos were recorded. Just because of the busy summertime, I didn't get a chance to upload everything to YouTube, but definitely right now, as you can see, I'm standing. Rain is started right now. For next 8 days, it's going to be very heavy rain. But I'm so happy my plants will get enough water. It's okay. Next 2 months I don't have to worry about the water bill, and it should be very, very good. Still lots of work to do. We just managed to do half of the orchard. There's another half of acre still going forward that needs to put the weed barrier, as you can see, the irrigation system, the greenhouse. They may be stronger to build. As you can see, lots of them in my videos fell down completely. Santa Ana wind is very strong. So was amazing year. I'm so glad for grateful to my family and friends who actually invite me to visit them in a different part of the world. In January I went to Israel to see my family for the event. Then in March I went to see Frank Mijares in the Philippines. It was such a great opportunity to come over and enjoy the life in Laguna Mabitak, all the way up in the mountains. And then a couple days later I enjoy a little bit the trip in the warm water as well. Then we went to Japan with the family, so that's a great interesting experience. You know, completely new country, completely totally different lifestyle, and so I'll be able to share with you some videos as well. Then enjoy as well the Hawaii with the family a little bit later. Then I managed to go, oh my gosh, I totally lost where did it go. Then I got chance to go to Florida just the last week. So it's so nice to have friends all over the world that you'll be able to come over and visit and do little tour and share the beauty of the world and beauty of the nature. So here we go. I'm looking forward for like more birds' nest, and hopefully I'll have some little habitat in this orchard as well. My hummingbird very soon. It's December, January. That's the time when start building the nest, and hopefully we'll have a new nest and chicks as well. So that's you guys please follow me as well on this channel, or you can watch them at the Hummingbird Spot YouTube channel as well. That's it. I'm just happy that the plants are still here. We managed to lift 2 heavy plants that fell down from the Santa Ana wind a couple days ago, and one of the video how we lift the 1,000-pound plant would be released as well. So I'm just gonna share with you the beauty, guys. Please subscribe, very important. Please subscribe to my channel, very important. It's subscribe and like, click the like button, and hopefully we'll be able to get monetized. It's been my dream since like 6 years ago when I started this orchard to share. We have 180 videos already, and 3,500 subscribers. It's a lot, but the time that I need to manage, it's probably left like maybe 350 viewing hours. So I have like 25 probably, like 2,600 hours already, and I need 300 hours to manage what. So please, guys, if you have some time during the family or something, just go to my NatureWithAlik YouTube channel. There is like a video by group. You choose the select the by grouping, like a dragon fruit orchard or tasting videos. There is like videos. Just click view all, and it's gonna start looping. You'll be enjoying to see the history of how everything started, and lots of opportunity to see lots of tips. You know, how to build the dragon fruit trellises, how to how to propagate, how to fertilize, how to go to the farmers market, set up the farmers market. It's very interesting. That's going to be one of the next topics as part of the why the dragon fruit is so expensive. I did one of the video with the paperwork that I share with you guys, all the information. Second one, I'm going to try to get in between the rain time, and hopefully I'll be able to tell you about the how to set up the dragon fruit farm, which the size that I have right now, it's probably the smaller size, but at least, you know, I can get you with some experience as well. And then the third part would be like how to distribute, how to go to the farmers market to get papers and tents and all these other requirements as well. So here we go, guys. December 31st, 2025. It's probably like 15 Celsius outside, which is 55, 60 Fahrenheit. Little wind, little rain. It started already, little by little. You can hear the sound from the wheat barrier, and definitely, you know, would be so nice to see. Just I'll show you just a couple, you know, couple trees. All the plants nice and green. We did trim a lot. We did trim a lot of like damaged plants. The lots of branches. Okay, so Enigma is still doing good. So all this 5, 7, 10 fruit, hopefully they'll get mature and will be nice and red. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is Enigma. Oh, that's, wait a second, San Ignacio and Enigma. As you can see, they're getting, I'm just they pretty close to each other. Okay, some of the fruits still green, but some of them getting nice. I'm so happy that some of them getting really nice and red. So this is the Enigma San Ignacio. I see the light on the back. Some fruit is getting maturity. Okay, this is more. Look at this. This is more. This is the George's red. Okay, just because I relocate all the plants, still have not get used to them, you know, where they're all located. Okay, this is the yellow palora. You can see the flowers coming. Okay, and those flowers, I don't know, probably it's gonna bloom very, very soon. I'm talking about very soon, probably in February. Okay, the rest of the plants are doing great. Very big deal, guys. If you're doing like big area, the wheat berry is amazing. Wheat berry is so good, easy to clean, easy to maintain. The water will completely slide down. And I show you like example. Okay, here's another fruit over here. It start cracking already, so I'm probably gonna harvest right now to take, because it's probably sweet enough to eat. It's American Beauty, and it's easy. You see, nice and clean. People when coming to visit my orchard, they're amazed by beautiful. Okay, here's another. Look at this. That's the Laverne variety. Laverne variety. Oh my God! And on this side as well. Look at this, I just missed this one. Okay, the light, I'm gonna harvest this one right now as well before the heavy rain is coming. So you see a big difference. This is my wheat barrier, and this is the next, my neighbor. So within 2 weeks, it's gonna be everything green and wheat. It's gonna be very hard to maintain. Definitely, they need to run with machine and trimming everything. So, here we go. Here's another beautiful physical graffiti over here. So I'm just gonna harvest this one, and we'll wrap up for the new year. And definitely, please guys, please share my video with all your friends and family, and looking forward to see you guys at my orchard. We're relocating, lots of plants relocated already to the wheat berry, so it's going to be easy to walk and choose the plant. We have lots of varieties. Laverne White I have variety, which is unique completely from the Laverne nursery. Vietnam White I have the Nitzel variety, which is sweet white variety with probably like over 20 bricks test. Lisa, I have a big plant over here. Lots of plants over here with the different labeling and everything. So you come over, you'll take a look, or just text me if you're looking for unique specific variety or cuttings or plants, whatever you need to. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Just running forward again with lots of plants. Oh my goodness, one more I missed over here. So here we go. Rain is starting, gotta move on. And that's another one. See, that's the Lisa. Lisa is yummy and tasty fruit with strawberry flavor. So please check all my tasting videos. You're gonna have so much fun to watch them, and definitely it's gonna be yummy event to see them. And when you get the fruit, you'll be so happy to eat it. Peace, you guys. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much for your support again. Happy New Year to all of you, and looking forward to 2026. Bye bye.